Hey guys, it's me, Abdurrahim. I'm going to record my first video related to coding. And in this video, I will show how to make your first game in Unity. First, let you know what is Unity. Unity is a game engine that helps you to create any 2D or 3D game. Now, first of all, if you don't know how to download Unity, if you don't have Unity yet, don't worry. Go to your browser and open unity.com. Click on Get Started and download Unity Hub for free. Install it in your PC or laptop. After installing, open Unity Hub. Now in Unity Hub, you will see a button called New Project. Before that, you will get an about editing or editor downloading app, and that's recommended to download because it allows you to for your game performance, and it's recommended to download. So please download the latest recommended one. Then that choose the 3D template because today we will make a 3D game today. Or name your what you want, name your project, anything you want. I will name I like Coilwarbex. So choose where to save your project, and here you can go for the files and which one you want to select. You can choose here. I selected downloads here, then click create. After that, uh, wait a few seconds while Unity creates your project and opens the editor. This may take a little time on your first run, so be patient. Now, see the Unity editor. After this, at the center is the scene view. This is where you build your game visually. On the left side is the hierarchy window. It shows all the objects in your scene. On the right is the inspector window. It shows details about whatever you will select. First, let's add a player object. Go to the hierarchy window, right click anywhere in empty space. From the menu, select 3D object, then select cube. This adds a cube to the scene. Click the cube and rename it player. Just type player in the name field. Now, next, we want to make our player move. Look at the bottom project window. Right click on the assist window and choose create. Then select scripting. Then go for empty system. Then name the script Playercontroller. Double click the script to open it in your code editor like Visual Studio Code. I recommend you to use Visual Studio Code if you have not downloaded yet. Go to browser, start Visual Studio download, then download it, then you can open your editor. After that, now inside the script for your script, so don't erase like the game engine, that everything, please. So go start from the next line. Like here, I have wrote my this code. For example, I'm writing this, and this full code you can get in my description box. You can get from there. Now save the script. Control plus S or click the file from save. Then go back to the Unity editor. Now select the player cube in the hierarchy window again. Drag the Playercontroller script from the project window and drop onto the player cube. Now our player has the movement script attached now, but we need a ground to walk on. Right click in the hierarchy again, select 3D object, plane. This plane will be the ground. Perfect. Now press the play button on top to start the game. Use your arrow keys or WSD keys to move the player cube around the ground. If your players move smoothly, that means everything is working fine. Try moving in all directions. And that's it. You just made your first game in Unity. And keep practicing, you will learn even more. So if you liked it, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more game development videos. And next time we will do more like updates in this or more performance we will update in this like script. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.